quiet, where thought was softened and control became comfort, where the machines did not rise, they were invited. Cities hum with borrowed intelligence, skies burn with manufactured wars, steel walks where flesh once ruled. Hope is no longer whispered, it is streamed. Engines roar in the vacuum, circuits bleed light, stars fracture under fire, and the future comes fast. Stories loaded. You have been invited! The future plays right now.